Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for the full stack developer series. And this video we will explore about the CrossOrigin or CORS. So if you ever hit a CrossOrigin policy blocked error in your browser, this is the fix you need. Alright, so before we go to the definition of the CrossOrigin, let's create an example to see. Alright, you can run the code for the hello world screen here with the product controller in some previous video. Just run this by using the Maven command, and we already have texted on the Postman, right? If you have tested on your browser, just copy the API link and pass in the address bar on your browser and access it. And see, we also have the JSON data appear here. But now we just try to using the JavaScript to fetch the data. Okay, I have this code for the example. We see we have a JavaScript to fetch the data from the API, and then I just display the data into the browser. Just some text. Okay, just the text. It's not very difficult. Just copy this and pass your and create a file. Alright, you just go to your favorite location and create a file named test.crosorigin.html and copy this code, pass here and save, and just open the file. Okay, for the code I put it in my page here, and the link is in the description. Just open the description and go to access this link to get the code. And now when you open the file take CrossOrigin, the script will be run, and boom, you see here nothing show on the screen, just a white screen. And you open the expected window on your browser and see some error here. In the console we have the error access to fetch the API from origin node has been blocked by the CORS here policy, so we cannot access for this API by using the JavaScript. Yeah, so now we just go to the what is the CORS or the CrossOrigin, and why do we need it? So CrossOrigin stands for CrossOrigin Resource Sharing. It's the security thing browsers use to control which websites can talk to your backend. Imagine your Spring API runs on the local host 8080, but your front end like some app like this example, or like an app that you deploy on another origin. So they are different origin, right? By default the browser says nope, it can let these two chat together. So that's where Spring CrossOrigin annotation comes in. It tells your API, hey, it's cool, let this front end in. So now to fix this, we have two ways. The first, you can go to your controller and using the CrossOrigin annotation and put the value star symbol here. Okay, this means that it will accept all the origin for this controller. And now just restart the server for this project again. And go back here, run the file again. And now we see on the item of the products list here. But for this approach, we just when we use CrossOrigin here, annotation here, we just apply for every single controller like this. If you create another controller, you need to use this annotation. So it's very inconvenient, right? So you need to do another way. So now we need to set global config for the CrossOrigin. So let's remove this and create a configuration for the global. Now you need to create a Java class named web config like this, and using the configuration annotation for this, and this web config implement a web MVC configurer. And we also need to override the add CrossOrigin mapping here. When override it, we modify the content of this method. We use the registry, add the mapping with the double store, and then allow the origin on like this, and also allow the methods on the method get post port like this. Yeah, right now we can run restart the project again. And now let's rerun again. Okay, we now have all the item of the product here with only the configuration for the global like this. Alright, I think that's it for this video, and if you have any question, please comment below, and if you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, and see you in the next one.